a vlog. I guess today we're just changing stuff around, so hopefully it's gonna come out like we want it to come out, because you know there are lots of things in this room, so okay, just to chip in, guys, you're gonna see there's gonna be so much change in the room. I want you to take note of where items are right now. I did not start the video from the beginning, but I actually decided to do a vlogmas somewhere along the line. But then just take note of where items are placed right now and where they're gonna be at the end of the video. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. Do the most, subscribe, like, share, comment, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the vlog. And I've done a video with my siblings, but I'm hoping to do lots of videos with them in this season. Yeah, let's get to it. The thing is in here, things are too many. And your music is... No, that's not my music, that's just a Google suggestion, can't you see? So when they work or something, search, you have to search. Why?
Because this room even looks empty. Daddy, how much is this?
That's a birthday present due from last year. Instead of take this thing out with divine.
Hello, party people.
Yeah, what are you looking for? I don't. Press next to my thing. Look. We need to create this whole thing first.
And you know we do something different to these guys, you know. Some say the road is too rough, but you can't love I can never deny I feel love all over me. Some they say don't know this please link on the for myself. If you tell me say this Jesus not a John, and I'll show you say this feeling will be gone. Your government no guarantee.
When did you get
The sacrifice in all of it.
No, it's empty.
Nobody did not like
Because I like empty cans.
and you carry your blood with me wait for Calvary. You know we do things that we give your life for you. When I remember all the things when you do for me. Pick me up from the marriage, set my feet on the rock, and you wiped all my tears off. Daddy, you make me sing your halle, 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 halle. You want it in the middle?
You want it in the middle?
Yeah, I think it's nice in the middle.
Okay.
Mew.
My foot. My foot. Ow. Music. There you go. These are fingers. Who's sticky fingers like this? That's mine. Mine are clean.
Do you want anything to be here?
These are still messy though.
Yeah, say before you should have later. I feel like something should be here.